guys, welcome back to my channel Pam's Station, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Well, this is my first video in this month of August. I am so sorry for not uploading videos on time because I was really busy with some house chores, and my son's vacation is also going on, and he recently joined his soccer club and all that. And even my champ was not well, so that's how it was. Well, this is going to be my first video in the month of August, and please show lots of love and don't forget to share my videos. It will really motivate me and help my channel grow. And yes, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. It will really mean the world to me. So today's video, I wanted to share my haul. Last week I went to Acme, Rite Aid, and I shopped something from Amazon as well. Those are related to beauty and some skincare products. And yes, one or two product which I received in, it's a Korean beauty product and it's a skincare, and I have tried and I love those products, so I just thought of adding those products in this video. Maybe if you like it as well, if you want to give it a try, I will share all the links in my description box below. If in case you're interested to try out, please check those links, read all the description, ingredients, reviews, and then go ahead and buy it. So let's start with the first one is the Rite Aid haul, and I got some drugstore products there, so I just thought of sharing over here. And the prices, I will list prices, and I don't know about the links. If I get somewhere from on any other website or Amazon, maybe I'll share on the description box below. But the prices, I felt like compared to Amazon in the Rite Aid, it was little expensive, $1 or $2 or some cents above. So I was not sure. This is the first time I have shopped from Rite Aid. Let's start with the first one. It's a very long intro. So this is the first one, is the Rimmel London Magnifies Rainbow Edition palette. That's the palette, and I really love the colors out there. There's no mirror. It's a good quality, you can say. And I also got a brush. Yes, there is one side brush and the other side is a sponge. That's how it looks. And there is no mirror, but look at the shades. Okay, so I have created a reel using this palette. I will share a picture over here. So if in case, it's not a reel, it's a post. So I just felt like the dark shades were not so pigmented. I have just used it once. Maybe I'll use it more and then I will give my final review. But I was not so impressed with the darker shades like the purples and the pink, which I was expecting, and that's why I took this. Especially I took this for this green shade. So I haven't used this shade, but I used the pinks and the purple. I was not impressed, so that's how it is. $8.99, $8, that you can say $9 for this palette with the brush and no mirror. The next I took is a Physicians Formula Petal Glow Rose All Day. This is a highlighter. There was a bronzer, highlighter. I don't have any product by Physicians Formula, so I wanted to try their products. Here, different packaging. You just need to press it like this and the product opens. And also there is a mirror, and there is this brush to apply highlighter on your cheeks. So I really like this. So that comes with a mirror, and look at this, such a beautiful print. It's a rose print, and wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's a bronzy shade highlighter. What is the shade? Rose All Day Petal Pink. Petal Pink is the shade. I really like it. I will definitely use in one of my post or reel. Dollars, wow, $15.99. So that's how it is. It's worth, I guess. I don't know if it has any, there's no fragrance. So that's the second one. Then I took I had this blush. I left it in India bag, so I do not have any I don't have a eyeshadow palette even of Maybelline, so I'm looking for a good shade. I don't like any of the shade currently what Maybelline has, so I'm just waiting for good shades by Maybelline, so then I'll go ahead and buy it. But I want to create a one brand look Maybelline. So I have their highlighter, I have their foundation, I have their blush, and I have their eyebrow pencil, which I'll be sharing. So this is the blush. I think Wine is the shade. So I'll just swatch. Wow, it's pretty for my skin tone. It's really nice. So I'm really excited to try this blush. $5. So this is, no sorry, it's $5.99, so almost $6. Then I took a second product by Maybelline. This is their eyebrow pencil. So eyebrow pencil I took in the shade black brown. That's how it is. I haven't yet opened it, so I'll be using it in one of my look. $8.99, same price. Then I have taken L'Oreal matte signature eyeliner. I don't have mine almost, it's over. Some of the product I left back in India, so I wanted to try their eyeliner. So it's like this. Really love the packaging. Bottle is like this, and this is quite thin, so you can easily create very nice wing liner. Then I have taken 3 lipsticks. One is by Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse. I will share a picture. I have already created a reel. If you haven't following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I create some different content there. So some of the swatches and all, I create content through reels. So it's really fun. So please check those out. I will share the link of this reel in my description box below, so you can check out the swatches. It's a very nice. It is exactly the matte shade. It really does not make my lips dry, but it makes it look matte, like as if it's a lip stain. So it remains for a really long time. Even if you eat or drink, it will stay for I think 7 or 8 hours. That's how it is. And I really love the packaging, the slim packaging, and the wand. I'm really impressed. I love the wand. It's like this, and it does have a fragrance like a plum cake. So that's of in the shade, I think I did not tell the shade. It's Spice. Spice is a shade. I really love this, and this is kind of everyday kind of shade. Definitely buy this. If I find the link of Amazon, I'll share the link in my description box. The next two I have taken, this is a Soft Mulberry Neutrogena Lip Shine. This is just like a lip gloss. It has a slight tint of plum tint. This is how it looks. Plum tint it has, and you can just use it as a gloss. So that's how it is, and that's the wand. So it does have no fragrance. I thought there is a fragrance. Okay, there's no fragrance, but this is nice shade, a plum shade. And this, I'm not impressed with this because it's really soft and it melts. I don't know the shade. It's quite dark on me. It's berry, and that's how it is. It's very dark. So just need one swipe. This is one swipe application and you get such a dark shade. So yeah, this is like a lip balm. So good for every day. If you want a tint on your lips, you can apply this. It's Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter. It also consists of SPF 15. So berry is a butter lip cream. So this is a lip cream. Yeah, good for every day. If you want a tint of, on your lips, you can use this. So these are the products from Rite Aid. I'll share all the links in my description box. So next I took from Acme is, this is the best SPF till now I have used. I had taken one bottle from Hawaii. If you haven't watched my vlog, I will share somewhere on the I button. You can check over there. We recently went to Hawaii in, that was for July Independence Day. So it's almost over. So now I took the second one. This I found it from Acme. And this has SPF 50. You can even use it while swimming or not swimming. You can use this. This is very nice. Definitely recommend. Go ahead and check this out. Hawaiian Tropic, an antioxidant sunscreen lotion, SPF 50 broad spectrum, and this is with green tea extract. And the second one what I took is, this is from Amazon Buy. I just love the fragrance. I would definitely recommend give this a try. It's a small everyday kind of perfume you can use. This is by Revlon. Yeah, this is by Revlon One Heart, and that's the bottle packaging, especially the pink one. There is also comes in blue bottle packaging. I'm not a fan of that blue bottle, but the pink one, it's just like the feminine fragrance, mild, and you will definitely love it. So check this bottle. You can even gift it to your friend or for yourself. So the next is, yeah, this I got recently in my PR. This is a fresh sugar advanced therapy recovery lip mask. I really love this. It's quite thick, but you also get a spatula with this to scrape it out instead of using your nails. And it's quite thick, very nice and balmy texture. Remains for a long time, very hydrating, very moisturizing. It does have a little bit of fragrance and also tastes like a little sweet, so obviously it is having sugar, so I really like it. So I would definitely recommend give this a try. It's a fresh sugar lip balm or lip mask. It comes in this kind of packaging. Let's come to Korean skincare products. So recently I received product by L'Essential, the toner and the cream. I have used almost this. You just need few drops and you can apply on your whole face. I really love this, guys. After using the Element toners, the calming toner Centella Asiatica, if you haven't watched that video recently, I'm a very big fan of this ingredient Centella Asiatica, which really keeps my skin calm and glowing as well, also hydrates the whole day. So since I have mature dry skin, I'm in the age of 40s right now, so I love using product which makes my skin very calm. So this is also another product, and it consists of rhodiola. It's a flower. I just googled. If you check it on Google, rhodiola flower, it's kind of flower which is found on the mountains. So those flowers are there in this toner. So it comes in a huge bottle and it comes in this kind of nozzle, and you just need to use 2-3 drops. It's like this, like milk, and does not have any fragrance. Tap it on your face. Now I'm already so I'm just putting on my hand. So you just need to tap it on your face, wait for till the toner goes inside, and then you can use their cream. This is the same rhodiola lively triple cream. This is also very nice texture. Love the texture. Does not have any fragrance. So I'm using this almost 2 weeks now. You just don't need a lot, you just need few drops here and there, and it's amazing. Give this a try, guys. I will share the link of this L'Essential toner and the cream. Check those out, and I would definitely recommend if you're any skin type, acne prone, oily skin, dry skin, mature dry skin, even if you're 15 years and above, you can definitely give this a try because it's very mild on skin. So yeah, go ahead and try this. This is by L'Essential, and yes, this is a Korean beauty product. So next one, last one, I also received Madagascar Centella Ampule made with pure Centella. As I just recently told you, I'm a fan of Centella Asiatica ingredients. So this also have the same ingredients. I am excited to try this. I haven't yet tried this, so this is just one product which I am still yet to try. So that's what it is, and it comes in this kind of pump, and there is no color, but I think the bottle is yellowish. This is no color, so I'm excited. I will be sharing my reviews in my Instagram, so follow me there if you're interested to check that out. Last but not the least, I have this body lotion. I recently received this body lotion in my PR, that is Curel, dermatologist tested. Amazing fragrance. I mean, it's not very strong, very light, very mild on skin. That's the texture, and really love. Very, very nice. It just makes you feel as if you're holding baby, infant baby. The fragrance what it comes from their body is just like that. love it, and the texture is also very soft. It absorbs in your skin really quickly. Very good for dry skin during winter or summer, any season you can use this. So this is daily healing original lotion for dry skin, heals dryness and retain moisture for over 24 hours. Definitely give this a try. And such a huge bottle, I think this is just for $8. I will check out if it's same on Amazon. I will let you know. So it's a huge bottle and very nice quantity just for that price. Go ahead and try this. The whole family can use this as well. So all these products, I'll be sharing the links in my description box below. If in case you're interested, those will be my Amazon affiliate links. If in case you buy from my link, I will also earn some commission. So just wanted to put that out there. And I also have some coupon codes, affiliate coupon codes. If in case you're interested, you can check from other brands. I will share all the links in my description box below. Don't forget to please check out my reels on Instagram. Follow me there as well. Let's connect there. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. It will really mean the world to me. Like this video, share my videos to all your friends and family as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you watched this video till the end, thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye-bye.